Hi there, I'm your future presenter, and yes, I'm an AI avatar. Red hair, flawless lighting, never a bad hair day. In this course, you will learn how to create characters like me using HeyGen AI. In HeyGen AI, avatar cloning and lip sync video with HeyGen AI, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to use existing HeyGen avatars to make fast, professional lip sync videos. Create your own AI-generated avatar that matches your brand, and even clone yourself so a digital version of you can say anything you type. No cameras, no reshoots, no editing software. Just your browser, your ideas, and a few simple workflows. You'll also see how to write short, powerful scripts that I can deliver naturally, build simple multi-scene videos for marketing, and prepare videos for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and more. By the end, you won't just understand HeyGen. You'll have real videos ready to use in your business or personal brand, starring either me, my friends, or a cloned version of you. So, if you're ready to let AI do the talking while you focus on the strategy, click Enroll now to start building your avatar-powered marketing together.